Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is the Barber. I'm over here at Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville, Florida. Today I want to make a video about the Andis Phat Master. No, it's the Andis Phat Master. Now check it out. P-H-A-T, Phat Master. Okay, now this is a nice, cool clipper. Very underestimated. It's kind of like a freckled, red-headed stepchild. Most people don't know about him. Most people don't like him. I'm not sure why, but this is a great clipper. This is my review on it, so stay tuned and I'll tell you everything you need to know about it. Okay, now the Andis Phat Master, when the lever is closed all the way, and that's up in the up position, this is equivalent to a 1A when you're talking about the Andis detachable blades, okay? This is equivalent to a 1A. Now, when you open it all the way up, that's equivalent to a 2, which is down. So open is down, and closed is up. So when you close it all the way, you get a 1A, and when you open it all the way, that gives you a 2. It's equivalent to the 2 blade. So let's just say if you were to have a haircut, a customer that came in and said they wanted a high fade or something, a box fade or something like that, and you were fading from, let's just say, a 3-0 all the way up into a 2. Now, I'm not sure if you know this, but the regular Andis Masters, not the Phat Master, if you close the lever all the way, that's equivalent to a 3-0. So if you fade from a 3-0 all the way up into a 2, you wouldn't need to use any guards. Okay? All you would have to use is the regular Andis Masters and this regular Phat Master. Most people don't use it because they're so accustomed to using guards. But you don't need to. That can actually save time. So if you want to cut time, I recommend this clipper here as a supplement for using guards. Okay? You could just go straight from your regular Masters to the Phat Masters and bam, there you are. You don't need to use any guards. This is also good for facial hair. I get a lot of customers that ask about beards and they just want to lower it down to maybe a 1 or a 2. I just pull these out, bam, turn them on, and there you go. Mustache and beard, real easy, ready to go, real fast without having to look for any guards or anything like that. So this is a very convenient clipper. But like I said, most people don't use this. Okay, now, this is just like the Andis Master and the Andis Phat Master. This version is just called the Phat Master. Now I'm going to let you take a look, and I think this is a brownish version of it. Now it came in multiple versions. Nice cool clipper from Andis, but this is no longer made by Andis anymore. So if you didn't get a chance to buy original Phat Master, what you can do is go online on Amazon or eBay and purchase a Phat Master blade. And these are interchangeable within any Master's clipper. So if you have a Fade Master, Phat Master, or a regular Master, you can change the blades out from any clipper, any Master's clipper, to any other Master's clipper. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'm going to try to say it again. So if you have an regular Andis Masters and you want to try out the Phat Master, all you would have to do, see, I'm getting tongue-tied. All you would have to do is purchase a Phat Master blade, put it on your Andis Master, the regular Andis Master. So it's all up to you. If you never got a chance to purchase one, you still have an opportunity to get one. I'm not sure how much the blades are. I never really did my research because I had the original Phat Master. Thanks to my brother, Mr. Rick, over there at Marvelous Beauty and Barber College in Waukegan, Illinois. Y'all go check him out. He has a YouTube channel and he's really doing good numbers. So y'all check him out. Mr. Rick at Marvelous Beauty and Barber College. Go ahead and subscribe and like to his page as well, his channel as well. We're also on Instagram. I'm going to shout my Instagram out first. It is custom_made_cuts. So follow me on Instagram, like my page, subscribe to my channel, and support me and I'll support you. So I'm trying to grow within the YouTube industry and I'm really doing these clipper tutorials. Also, one thing I wanted to mention as well. I noticed that a lot of barbers on these haircut tutorials use hundreds of clippers on one haircut. I'm exaggerating, by the way. I just want to say that certain haircuts don't require you to use so many clippers. That is very confusing. If it's a tutorial video and you got more than 6 clippers on one haircut, that is ridiculous. It's hard for a person to learn using all these different kind of clippers. Now most people search tutorials based off of the clippers they have. So let's just say if I use a fast feed, Oster fast feed, I would search how to fade with an Oster fast feed, not how to fade with an Oster fast feed, Andis Phat Master, Andis Masters, and an Andis Phat Master. That is ridiculous. And an Oster 76s. You would need to do a haircut. I could understand 2 clippers, maybe a regular Master and a fast feed. I get it. and one pair of liners. But when you're using 6 or 7 clippers on one haircut just to get the blend and the fade right, come on, bro, you're not teaching, you're showing off your clippers. That's what you're doing. So anyways, back to the Andis Phat Master. I just had to say that, y'all. Back to the Andis Phat Master. I recommend this to anybody that wants to cut time on fades or on facial hair when you're doing beards, or you might get a customer that comes and asks for a 2. You open this blade up, you open this all the way, and there you go. You got an instant 2. You don't have to shuffle around looking for a number 2 guard. But my problem is, if you got so many clippers and you have so many clippers at your station, your cords tend to get tangled up. So I noticed that a lot of people are doing these attachments where they cut off the butt part of the clipper and do an attachment to where whatever clipper they want to use, they just attach it to it. Those look pretty cool, but I hate to destroy my clippers. I don't know, I just love different clippers, and the ones I do got, I don't like to destroy them. So anyways, if you like this channel, you're thinking about getting a Phat Master or maybe the Phat Master blade, go online, check them out. If you need to know anything more about it, I'm sure there's a few videos on here about them, but not many on a Phat Master. So you can check them out and leave a comment if I left anything out. Subscribe to my page and let me know what you think, okay? Thanks, and I'll talk to y'all soon.